Hi, welcome to Herbatics. Bodyweight exercises have received more attention than before in recent years because of their wonderful benefits. Plank is one of these exercises that targets the core and abdominal muscles. 60 seconds plank a day has these great benefits. Number 1. First of all, it reduces back pain. The plank posture helps to position the vertebrae of the back and spine correctly. And by straightening the abdominal and core muscles, it makes the muscles bear the weight of your body better when you walk. As a result, your back pain will decrease, and also you will have less back pain at older ages. Number 2. Plank also helps you have a six-pack. By doing the plank, you burn calories and fat, especially in the belly area, and at the same time, your abdominal muscles become stronger and more defined. Most fitness experts know plank as one of the most effective exercises for six-packs. Plank also helps to strengthen and shape the hips. Number 3. We all know how troublesome and annoying back and spine injuries can be. The plank is one of the best exercises to prevent these injuries. Likewise, this exercise helps the flexibility of the core muscles, which has many benefits, like improving performance in other exercises, especially yoga. Number 5. Plank increases the overall metabolism of your body. The plank exercise engages several muscles at the same time. It burns more calories than other abdominal muscle exercises. In addition, building more muscles burns more calories, and the more muscles you have, the higher your metabolism. Number 6. The plank improves the overall balance of your body. Have you ever tried to stand on one leg but struggle to maintain your balance for more than a few seconds? Or do you feel that you are more prone to fall down and lose your balance easily? This can have various reasons, one of which is the weakness of the abdominal muscles, which plank improves your balance by straightening these muscles. Plank is also mentally beneficial. Plank affects your nerves and improves your mood. Sitting for long periods of time causes muscle contraction and tension and deforms the body. By doing the plank, the muscles are stretched and the stress and tension of the body are reduced. Number 8. Improving bad body posture can be achieved through plank exercises. Regular practice can enhance your sitting and walking posture for more confident and healthy appearance. Thank you for watching the video. You can support this channel with like and comment. If you are interested in such videos, you can subscribe to my channel.